Benchmark, the voice of business. Presented by LMD.
On this week's edition of Benchmark, in our first installment, we take a look at public opinion over the rebuilding efforts in the areas affected by the January-February floods. Then in our feature segment, we turn the spotlight on Ramesh Shanmuganathan, Executive Vice President and Chief Information Officer of John Keells Holdings, for his views on Sri Lanka's ICT aspirations. And we wrap up this edition by asking Kunal Sharma, Country Manager of TNS Lanka, how Sri Lankans view our disaster readiness. That's the lineup for Benchmark this week. Hello and welcome to Benchmark. I'm Savitri Rodrigo. This week, we take a look at the results of the latest LMD commissioned poll carried out by TNS Lanka on our nation's disaster readiness. Not many Sri Lankans fail to be moved by the plight of more than 1.2 million of their compatriots whose homes and livelihoods were decimated by the floods in January and February. Close to 80% of respondents to an exclusive LMD commissioned survey say they watched in dismay as Mother Nature unleashed her implacable wrath. Others admit that they were unaware just how widespread the devastation was, and some participants say that they too found themselves in the thick of things. Several months have gone by since then, and the affected areas are slowly returning to some sort of normalcy. When it comes to rebuilding the nation after nature's unchecked fury, over half of TNS Lanka's sample population feel that the government has done a satisfactory job to rehabilitate and reconstruct flood-destroyed areas. But close to 4 in 10 are dissenters. They feel that aid disbursements were not sufficient and that some flood victims didn't receive any assistance at all. Also, they point out that some of the affected areas were left out of the aid bandwagon altogether. The incumbent administration should perhaps take note of the popular view concerning NGO activities when it comes to natural disasters. Asked whether, against the backdrop of such a devastating event, the NGO community should be encouraged to extend a helping hand, the commanding answer is yes. Over 9 in 10 respondents believe that when the need is so widespread and large, it is difficult for the state to fund the reconstruction process on its own. So, NGOs should pitch in where disaster management is concerned. Respondents, some 60% of the field, also point out that society at large and the business community can do more in the aftermath of such catastrophes. In fact, they insist that it is mandatory to help at times like this. As for what more can be done to limit the damage caused by natural disasters in our country, poll respondents urge that disaster-prone zones should be identified and the public prevented from building in these areas. And when it comes to regions that are prone to flooding in particular, poll participants suggest that levee banks should be built. So, what does one do to improve Sri Lanka's disaster management strategy? Some of the main recommendations include developing early warning systems, better public education on safety measures in the event of a natural disaster, and the installation of emergency meeting points. We should also collect and store resources and equipment to ensure a quick response and make sure we are prepared for future hazards, respondents point out. What's more, they propose that upgrading our key infrastructure such as roads, communication networks, and water and sanitation systems will ensure that they withstand disasters and assist the emergency response efforts. Building hazard-resistant public buildings and housing and developing the skills of local disaster response personnel are also high priorities. And last but not least, respondents to TNS Lanka's poll say that allocating more funds for disaster management activities in the budget is a must in order to minimize harm from future calamities. We go in for a commercial break now, and when we come back, we speak to Ramesh Shanmuganathan about how our ICT aspirations are shaping up. Stay with us.